the 16th cabinet has come out with this platform for every single Tibetan to come on a common platform to work on the cause of Tibet. In future, nobody can tell us that there was no platform. I wanted to do something, but there was no platform for me to do anything. The platform is very much there. Now, how much you want to take part in that or not is your decision. So as a Tibetan, facing the kind of challenges that we are facing, compact communities getting dispersed and then Tibetans being relocated to different countries around the world, is definitely quite a challenge. But the opportunity is also because of the dispersed Tibetan population, and these Tibetan population also having adopted citizenship of other countries have the right to vote and also the right to request their representatives to represent their case. So this opportunity cannot be missed. And it is a very important platform that we have created, which we intend to nurture. There will be many more youth forum meetings, regional meetings, international meetings where you'll be taking part and take the lead in the resolution of the Sino-Tibet conflict in the future if it is not resolved during our lifetime.